Coq Inu is doing and accomplishing some major things, man. It's only been around a year, and we're starting to see Coq Inu really, build up and about to take off. So we're getting into that moment in the markets where we are experiencing a dip, especially today, the past couple of days. But we did see a quick up run in the markets after the election. So everybody been waiting for the dip, man. Everybody has been patiently waiting for another chance to get into the markets, and now the time has come, man. We're starting to see prices go down from their local highs and really, do some corrections, but that just gives us another buying opportunity to dollar cost average, especially into COQ. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the things Coq has been accomplishing since the inception of the project, and much more. But before we get too deep into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on those notifications for all updates on COQ. I will continue to make videos about Coq Inu because it is one of the meme coins that I personally invest in. I think it has so much potential. I continue to say the same things about COQ, but my thesis is that AVAX will have its day in the sun as a blockchain, and when liquidity comes into the blockchain, I do believe it will show others, or other people will go to seek what's the next potential, 10x to 100x on the AVAX blockchain. And I think that will lead to more liquidity being put in some of the meme coins. And with Coq Inu being the #1 meme coin on AVAX, I do believe it's poised to really go to that $1 billion market cap, even possibly past the billion, because we have yet to see a $1 billion meme coin on the AVALANCHE blockchain. And AVAX is a top blockchain. Don't get it twisted. We aren't pumping the same volume as a Solana or Ethereum, but I do believe institutions will bring that volume into the blockchain, and I do believe that will lead retail seeing that volume is being pumped on AVAX, and that will eventually go into people looking at the meme coins on the AVALANCHE blockchain. So let's get straight into it. Let's talk about it, man. Coq Inu, where is price at today? So, man, I am on day screener right now. We can see Coq Inu is the #1 meme coin, or not just meme coin, the #1 project as far as volume goes on the AVAX blockchain. Now, we are currently sitting at $157 million market cap. Like I said, we have been experiencing drawdowns in the market these past couple of days. We can see we are down 10%, but we still at that $157 million market cap. Now, one thing I always say, if you watch my videos, man, dollar cost averaging your best friend, because if you would have got in, the earlier days of November, you would absolutely still be in profit. And that's why I always say, man, dollar cost average on the red days. Even today it dropped 10%. It might go down even further, but you always want to just dollar cost average on the red days and put in the same amount, so you can really get in and get more bang for your buck. Now we can see it's currently 84,000 holders, almost 85,000 holders. I do believe by the end of Q1 of 2025, we will be at that 100,000 holder mark, and that's going to play a big part as Coq continues to grow. Now, something else that really caught my attention, even though we are down 10%, it is more buys than sales on the day. It's 619 buys, 476 sales. Of course, it's more sale volume, but it's more buyers than sellers. So people with bigger bags are probably taking a little profit, but people who are getting in or just trying to dollar cost averaging, they're looking at this as a buying opportunity. That's what it's kind of pointing at, in my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I think a lot of people are looking at this moment in the market for COQ Coq Inu for as a buying opportunity, where they can really dollar cost average and get in and bring down their average cost. So something that's really going on in the COQ community, man, they just dropped a series, Happy Birthday, or Happy Burn Day rather. So celebrating 1 year of Coq Inu, this card features a bonding curve to buy/sell system with a 20% burn tax on purchases, allowing holders to sell back into the contract at any time. So the starting price is 42 million COQ plus 20% burn rate, and then we got an estimated launch 420, and the total supply was 420. So this came out 2 days ago, and this is just really celebrating the birthday of COQ, man. COQ has been around for a year now. It's crazy how fast time goes by. I remember when COQ first came on to AVAX, and everybody was buying it like crazy. And now we're in that moment in the markets where, you know, we have seen price absolutely increase, but we are still so far away from all-time highs. We know if we go back to the charts, man, COQ previous all-time high was around $400 million market cap. We only had 147. So I do believe the first leg of 2025 is probably going to be, if not the most important part of this bull run, man. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out. Right now it's probably the best time to get in, because usually around March, April, we start to see altcoins really take off. And I think CLQ is going to easily go back up to previous all-time highs and really go further. Like I said, I'm estimating it at $1 billion market cap. Now, something else, we know about the Coq Book. Coq Book is a sports book built for the COQ community, and every bet, every fee that's doing transactions, it's a small amount of COQ that's being burned, man. So this platform continues to grow. People are continuously using Coq Book, and that's something that's very important because it gives COQ utility, and I love to have utility for these meme coins because especially with this project, you can use your COQ to make even more money. So if I can use this utility, if I can use this token to make more money, why would I sell it if I have the possibility to double that money just by betting on sports? Now, sports betting is very much so volatile. It's like crypto. It's for degenerates. It's for show, but at the same time, people are going to do it anyway. Why not do it on Coq Book and burn some COQ? And really, if you hold a COQ and you sports bet, I think that's like a no-brainer, because even if you lose the bet, just know part of that is going to burning COQ, which increases the value of your COQ holdings at the end of the day, because it takes more out of circulation, creating more or restricting the supply of COQ. So that's something big. Now, some very big stats, very big accomplishments achieved by Coq Inu. We can see COQ by the stats, 1 million swaps on Trader Joe. Then we got 100K unique traders, and then $1.1 billion in trading volume. So COQ is going hard, man. A lot of people are absolutely trading COQ, especially on Trader Joe. 1 million swaps. This is just showing how COQ is the predominant meme coin on the AVAX blockchain right now, and I do think it's going to stay that way for some time. And like I said, the best has yet to come, man, especially with AVAX meme coins. I say that because they haven't even hit previous all-time highs, which were in, you know, the earlier days of 2024. They haven't hit those previous all-time highs, and that's why we dollar cost averaging under there, because I do believe they will go past their previous all-time highs in a full-on bull market. So that's why I say this is probably one of the best times to really get into COQ while we are under, you know, their previous all-time high. 158 million is really still a small market cap in my personal opinion, because these meme coins have the potential to hit billions of dollars in market cap, and we know the theme for this crypto cycle so far has been meme coins. Meme coins have been, you know, some of the best performing asset or the best performing sectors in the crypto space right now, and I don't think that's going to change, because I think, you know, as you know, more generations, as generations get older, it's going to be a time where, you know, they're not looking to buy Microsoft, they're not looking to buy Apple or Amazon. You know, some people will, and I personally, I do hold a portfolio with, you know, different indexes and things like that in the stock market, but at the same time, the younger generation, they're going to invest into meme coins, man. The culture is where it's at. I'm telling you, they're not trying to look at or read a shareholders report, things like that, or a balance sheet. They're not trying to do that. They're trying to be a part of a community, and if they can buy into a project, get on X or Twitter and boost their project and continue to promote their project and join the community who is promoting their project, then, you know, they don't have to do all of that, and they can see appreciation in the asset. I'm just telling you how I believe the younger generation will react to investing, and I think meme coins is going to be poised to continue to grow, and I think we just getting started. Now, last but not least, man, I want to give a huge shout out to Coq Inu on December 7th, 2023. Wojak and Gribbly teamed up to launch a meme coin. The launch was fair, 0 team allocations, 0 pre-sales, 0 taxes on buys or sales. Initial liquidity provided was burned. Contract was renounced. Anti-whale measures for the first hour of launch. Little did we know the Coq Inu would go on to make history. Within the first 13 days, we witnessed price go from 0 to $300 million market cap on AVAX, the so-called dead chain. In March, when AVAX was running to $65, we saw Coq reach 450 million market cap. It's grown to over 85K holders within the first year. We've seen multiple exchange listings with the big three, Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood looking promising. Over $2 billion in volume. Multiple people every day is featuring Coq. 1,000 of Coq memes have been created, hundreds of GIFs with over 37 million views, the introduction of Coq cards, tons of DeFi integrations like Meme Coin Rush and staking. We got custom Coq March, multiple in real life events, games being built on Coq, businesses being built, custom sports book. 2024 was historic, but in my opinion, the best is yet to come. Coq is sitting at $185 million today. Well, today is actually $158 million. This was 2 days ago. And the AVAX narrative is heating up and charts look bullish AF. I will not be surprised one bit if we get a run going early into next year that sends Coq into the multiple billies. The stars have aligned. It is written. 0x420, baby. So, like I said, man, Coq Inu is absolutely doing some tremendous things when it comes to building out the project. Not only being a meme coin, but actually having utility for their meme coin. And I know people say they hate utility for meme coins, but I always and will continue to say that creates less sell pressure, especially when it's multiple projects that's being built around this meme coin. And like the botcast or the Coqcast said earlier the bunk cast. I got it all wrong. My fault, y'all. The bunk cast, like they said, man. I think that Coq has the potential to, run it up to multiple billions. I'm not gonna lie to you, just for the simple fact that we've seen what happened on other blockchains. We've seen what happened on Solana, Ethereum, and we know that AVAX isn't pumping as much volume as those blockchains. But the beautiful thing about it, AVAX is targeting institutional money, and I'm not saying institutional money is going to come in and invest in meme coins, but I do believe that's going to prop up AVAX as a blockchain itself. And when they see, that volume being pumped on AVAX, retail's going to come in and say, where is the volume being pumped? They're going to look on Dex Screener, and they're going to see Coq Inu being the #1 traded project on AVAX, and that's going to make them want to get into the project. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, turn on those notifications, man. I'm out of here.